How to save your phone if you dropped it in water. Number 1. Remove the phone out of the water as soon as possible. Number 2. Turn your phone off immediately. Number 3. Remove the battery and SIM card. Number 4. Use cloth or paper towel to dab the phone. Number 5. Bury the phone in a Ziploc filled with uncooked rice. You can also try using cat litter, instant oatmeal, instant rice, silica gel, crystal kitty litter. Number 6. Leave the phone in the rice for at least 24 to 48 hours. Number 7. Turn your phone on to test it. I hope your phone works. Remember, there is only a 50% chance of your phone working again. In case the phone does not work even after trying out the rice method, take it to an authorized service center. They will be able to dismantle your phone and assess the damage better. Guys, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe our channel to get more useful video like this. Thanks for watching.